The West Virginia Academy of Family Physicians Doc For A Day program has been providing medical care for West Virginia's legislative sessions since 1989. The program was started to educate legislative leaders and staff on the importance of having a family physician. Doc For A Day also functions to emphasize the role that family physicians play in the coordination of care statewide.
The Doc of the Day program has been recognized by the House of Delegates and the State Senate and the Governor as an outstanding program to provide medical service not only to the legislature, to the governor's staff and all state agencies, but anybody that's in the Capitol building during the legislative session.
Centralized in the dispensary at the State Capitol Complex, the Doc For A Day program is one of WVAFP's most successful and visible programs. During the past 14 years, physicians in the Doc For A Day program have served more than 28,000 patients, treating an average of 50 patients daily.
The Physician for a Day program is one that the legislature has operated for a number of years, and actually it's of critical importance in two regards. The first is, obviously, we handle a number of issues throughout the course of any session that deals with health care and are health care related, and it certainly doesn't hurt to continue to develop and maintain a good working relationship with the family practice physicians in this state, and also the simple health needs, because since we are here for 60 days in a compressed period of time and don't have time necessarily to find a physician or to get back home to our family physicians, it's a program that's extremely important from a standpoint of the health care of the members of the legislature.
Not only do we have many members of the elected House and Senate, but our staff is here on a daily basis. We have thousands and thousands of visitors coming through the Capitol doors, and I've seen many times over the last 14 years where people have, for one reason or another, had a health problem, and it's because of the Doc of the Day that many of those people are alive today.
The West Virginia State Capitol Complex is located just off of Exit 99 on Interstate 64 and 77. Designated parking is available for Doc For A Day volunteers entering the Capitol Complex's main parking area at the intersection of Washington and Greenbrier Streets. Housed in the main building wing of the state capitol, the Capitol Dispensary is located between the Secretary of State's office and the Capitol Rotunda and can be easily accessed through the Capitol's West Wing entrance near the Governor's Mansion.
Hi, I'm Marcia Francis, and I'm the nurse here at the State Capitol Complex.
If you have trouble locating the dispensary, contact Marcia at 558-3663 and she will be happy to assist you. Upon your arrival, you will receive the materials necessary for your day as the legislature's doctor. Of key importance will be your state capitol ID that provides you full access to the House and Senate chambers.
One of the areas that we cover with the physician who is on duty as the Doc for the Day is to talk about legislative issues that are happening that day and that are ongoing during the legislative session.
In your capacity as Doc For A Day at the State Capitol, you are serving in a non-agenda position. Following your briefing, you will be escorted to the Senate floor where you will receive recognition from your district senator, the Senate President, and the entire Senate body. You will have the opportunity to observe the general floor session from the Senate floor, offering your medical expertise as requested. The same opportunity will be afforded to you in the House of Delegates, where you will receive recognition from your district's delegate, the House Speaker, and the entire House body. Upon returning to the dispensary, you will begin treating patients. As Doctor For A Day, you are offering medical care for everyone and anyone who may be working in or visiting the state capitol. No fees or appointments are necessary.
We see a myriad of problems in here, from cuts and scrapes to broken bones. I call this my mini MASH unit. I'm like the 407 7th, and I like to triage everybody out to the 8063rd.
The Capitol Dispensary is equipped with a solid variety of medical equipment and medicinals.
When you come to the office, all we carry here is over-the-counter medicinals. I have a closet right here to the left, and that contains your basic over-the-counter medications. I encourage everyone to bring a script pad, because you never know when you may have to write that prescription for an antibiotic or something of that nature. I don't keep script pads here or any type of prescriptive medications.
Doc For A Day also provides an excellent opportunity for a youth to accompany you to the state capitol to serve as a page in the legislature. Just provide WVAFP the name of your guest upon registering, as well as the name of the district legislator for whom they wish to serve as a page. The Charleston House Holiday Inn provides a preferred room rate for WVAFP Doc For A Day volunteers. Participating physicians are reimbursed for lodging expenses. For retired physicians, the WVAFP offers medical liability insurance for those who serve in this capacity. To volunteer for the West Virginia Legislature's Doc For A Day program, please call 304-562-4433. We'll be happy to hear from you.